Do you want to send one-time view video on WhatsApp? You can send disappearing videos on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send one-time view video on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Sending a one-time view video on WhatsApp allows you to share a video that can only be viewed once by the recipient. After the recipient opens and views the video, it automatically disappears. To send a one-time view video on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, navigate to the chat where you want to send the one-time view video. You can choose either an individual chat or a group chat. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the paperclip icon or camera icon next to the text input field. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on Gallery or Camera. Choose the video you want to send from your device gallery, or you can record a video using the camera feature. Once you have selected or recorded the video, you will see a one icon in a circle. Tap this one icon to set the video to a one-time view. The icon will change color, indicating that the video will be viewable only once. Once you have enabled it, tap the send button to send the video. Now, the recipient will be able to view the video only once. After viewing, the video will disappear from the chat.